Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. We got all the best moments from the crazy roads caught on Drivers Dashcam and hopefully you'll enjoy in this one. Sit back and let's start. We'll start this episode off with a crazy road rage situation. Cameron was minding his business when all of a sudden a reckless driver flew past him. His ego got hurt when the camera honked at him.
Fort Collins 911, what's the address of the...
Road rager in front of me.
Okay, where are you at?
I am at the intersection of Shields and Harmony. Now he's passing at over 70 miles an hour.
Okay.
And now he's brake checking me again. All I did was point to my dash cam and he's just, you know.
Okay.
And now he's brake checking me again. All I did was point to my...
Driver blocked the entire lane, got out of his car and started arguing with another driver. Really childish of him.
Yo! Yo! Move! Move! Let's go! Let's go!
Looks like a chunk of ice fell out of the sky, maybe out of a plane, and broke his windshield. This really scared him. Traffic lights mean nothing to these reckless drivers as they run the red light like it wasn't even a big deal. Snowy and icy roads can be a real problem for drivers, especially if you don't have winter tires and proper equipment. In conditions like these, the best thing you can do is drive carefully and keep your distance away from other vehicles. This angry Karen found herself on the wrong side of the road, and instead of moving around the camera and going about her business, she decided to make things harder for herself and everyone around as well. Check it out.
You're going the wrong way. You gotta go that way. Traffic goes that way. Fix it. Fix it. You're going the wrong way. Wow, you're great at driving, aren't you? Grow up. Yeah, it is that serious. You can cause an accident. So? And now you're standing in the middle of the traffic. Good job. Grow up. Grow up. Go. I'm not the one blocking traffic. Idiots. Let's go. You've been swerving around without using signals. You might hit me.
Estimated time in traffic, 10 minutes.
Just like that, huh?
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope that you guys like this one and hopefully you learn something as well. If you support this type of work, don't hesitate to leave a like, hit that subscribe and press the bell to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.